Adam, a lot of the chat about the budget that I've been looking at in the media has been about whether Rachel Reeves lied to the markets, deceived them, knew that there wasn't this black hole, and yet pretended there was in order to suit her political gains. Now, if that were true, we would probably expect the markets to be quite unhappy about that. Okay, nobody likes being lied to. So I just for everybody, I'll clarify when I talk about the markets, I'm talking about the UK government bond markets, sometimes called gilts, government bonds, because they used to be printed on these certificates with golden edges. Um, and these are the way that the government raises money. They sell these bonds, which have a fixed interest yield, and then when the market likes what the government doing, it says, okay, we'll make these more expensive. We'll pay more for them because we think this is a very safe investment, and that pushes the actual real life interest rate down. When they don't like it, they sell the bonds, pushes the prices down, and the interest rate rises. And that means the government has to pay more for its debt, which is a big deal because they're already paying a load of money for this debt, and it means they've got less to spend on other things. So, did the markets have a Moody's drop about Rachel Reeves lying to them?
No, they didn't, Duncan, not at all. In fact, there was a bit of volatility, primarily because that OBR report was published in an untimely fashion, let's say. But as things settled down, the yields actually took a fair clip downwards, 10 basis points or more. The 10-year is what everybody looks at because that's the most liquid instrument that a lot of the institutions and the pension funds like. It's a sort of time horizon they're keen on. And it's down by more than 10 basis points since the budget has been delivered. So I don't think they were too worried about that at all.